Here's how to change the display scaling mode using the Nvidia app. Open the Nvidia app and click System on the left sidebar. Select Displays at the top, then scroll down to find the Scaling section. You will see three scaling mode options. Aspect ratio maintains your content's original proportions and adds black bars on the sides or top and bottom if the resolution does not match your monitor. This is the best option if you want sharp pixels without stretching. Full screen stretches the image to fill your entire display, regardless of the original resolution, useful for older games that run at low resolutions if you prefer no black bars. No scaling displays the image at its native resolution in the center of the screen without any stretching or filling. You can also change the scaling device. Setting it to GPU means the graphics card handles the scaling, which is generally sharper, while display lets the monitor handle it, which can sometimes look softer depending on your screen. For competitive gaming at lower resolutions, aspect ratio with GPU scaling is the most common choice since it keeps the image clean without distortion. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.